How to schedule a post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily schedule posts on your Facebook profile. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, open Facebook application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is find the option to add a post. So tap on what's on your mind. And then from here, tap on photo/video, or if you want to add something else, you can do that as well. I'll just write a status for now without adding a picture. Now just tap on next at the top right. Then, as you can see here, you can find the scheduling options on the third option. Tap on this and then tap on schedule for later, and then you can add your schedule. So let's say if I want to post it tomorrow, I can just tap on it and then tap on OK. You can set the time as well. So let's say if I wanted to post tomorrow at 2:30 a.m., you can do that and then tap on OK. Once that is done, go back. As you can see here under scheduling option, you can find tomorrow at 2:30 a.m. Tap on post. Now the post will be scheduled for tomorrow. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.